Finding a good web host that is reliable and has all the options you need can be difficult. The range of companies and services offered are very diverse, so find the best one for your needs. The situation takes a little work. This video will help you. Make sure the web host you choose is more up than down. Do not choose a company that excuses long downtimes. Web servers that experience frequent interruptions cannot provide you with the highest quality of service, and you should not enter into contracts with these types of companies. If you can't find a provider that fully meets your needs, you can choose a backup hosting site. If you have to switch providers, you won't want to search for company offline again. When choosing a web hosting solution, choose a company that has web servers that are geographically close to your target traffic. For example, if you want to sell things to people in Ireland, you should choose a web host that has a data center in Ireland. Sign up for monthly web hosting billing instead of paying upfront for longer service terms. It is impossible to know for sure what will happen to your website or web host in the future. If you choose to pay for a balloon and switch providers at some point in the future, you may not receive a refund. Most web hosting providers require that you are responsible for keeping your content secure. Regular backup is essential not only to comply with the terms of the contract, but also to protect your data in the event of an unforeseen problem. If something should happen, your data will still be available. You may want to select a web host that has a cPanel available. With the help of control panels, you can easily and quickly install popular functions on your website. They are very easy to install and understand. Not to mention, they help remove a lot of excessive clutter that could go unnoticed by the non-mechanical eye and help keep your website running in less memory and faster speeds. If your web host offers online chats, forums, use them to access information about them directly. Being able to ask questions and discuss concerns is a quick way to find out which companies are not available. Reaching out to others through these channels will make it easier to choose the right provider. Customers currently using the web hosting company you choose are often your best source for feedback and quality of service information. As mentioned in the introduction, it is not easy to find the right web host. Many factors need to be considered, and it is difficult to analyze the options in order to find the best company for your needs. Follow the tips in this video to determine which web host is best for you.